Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a trampoline with the new SimLab mode. So, you can throw items apparently. Wait, let me just show you what this is. You can throw items. That's first. They bounce like crazy. So first let's go to the design of it. Got the 4 poles to help it stand. Well, I just went right through it. There. Now it's really getting hard to maneuver this stuff. Control plus C, Control plus V. Yeah. And I'm gonna get the frame now. Also, I think they've added the tool I wanted. I don't know what tool I wanted, but oh yeah, the smoothener. Don't think they've added that. Don't know why though. It'd be really cool if they had a smoothener. So hard. Okay, yeah, there. Now, and now we just need to group the bottom layers. So, let me just deselect that part then. Group and create. Now I hope there's something called multi-material. Now, if my calculations aren't correct, which they normally are, they should not work. And just like that. Oh, there it is. If I manage to do that, connect them lot, it should be looking like a trampoline. I mean, yeah, that kind of looks like a trampoline. Now we just need to make... That wasn't very smart, was it? We just need to make the outer layer. Or basically everything that makes sure you don't fall off the trampoline. Because if you do, that'd be pretty disastrous. Imagine jumping mid-air and like seeing that. Nope. So we're going to do the same thing that we did before. Make the wall thickness as thin as possible. Rise it, make it really rising. Yeah, just that's good. Make it from that side to this side. Oh yeah, you're also wondering why I've done this transparent white. There you go. Isn't that like this zipper thingy? Why do I have to design everything? But like, isn't that like the zipper thingy that's in it? Let me just get that done. Yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, shift, group, turn that into Kobloxky. And make that like grayish color, yellowish color. Now that looks good. Now we go into SimLab. Not everything's been done yet, because now in SimLab, I need to change it to bouncy rubber, and that is our trampoline. But we need something to make it fall on. So I'm just gonna think for a second. Aha, I have an idea. Let me just get out a square. Let me just go to the top. Oh, I hate this. Wait. Oh, there, that's perfect. Make it significantly shorter. Done. Let me just get a square now. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yup. I'm just gonna shift that, then shift that, then yeah, that looks good. I'm trying to create the file icon just to make sure that you know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna leave the video. Like, please don't. So, that doesn't look exactly like the file icon. Oh, it's kind of like a bent sheet of paper. Well, let's go back. Oh no, let's go forward. Oh no, back. Okay, you're probably getting really annoyed at this point, but there it is. Just to make it look good, gotta do the whole process over again. And if you're probably asking, why did you say that? I did it on purpose. Now I'm just going to not do that yet. Oh, wrong shape. Yeah, I'm just going to tilt this and Uh, uh, okay, control plus C, control plus V. Yeah, I'm just trying to. Does that look like a file icon? I don't exactly know. Hopefully it does. Now I'm just gonna rise this above the land. Rise this above the eye. Make this high above the eye. Hopefully it falls on it. Hopefully. Okay, now we just got a design. Let me just change that to bouncy rubber and simulate. You can also throw things in there. Don't think that'll work. Yeah, like I'm telling you. Oh god. There it is. It's going crazy. Now, if you want to get a good, if you want to try this, you need to click this. There's also, I think, yeah, of course. Also this version and Lego. Okay, now I like that. Wait, what? Why didn't they cover the full thing? Well, oh, they've gone so far to even make this one. Well, let me just see the layers. Whoa, you can actually see how I built it. I do not see what is going on. I don't see anything else. I'm so sorry if you didn't see that properly, but if you want to see it again, and again, and throwing a bunch of items in it, because, you know, everything will bounce. Why is there an anvil? Okay. I really do not care. There's 2 anvils this time. And so, yeah. Oh my own. Did that just fall into the oblivion? Okay. Yeah. That happened. Wow, I'm throwing it at the box and oh my. Wait a second. If I can do that, that means I can push it off. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, the trampoline's gone into the oblivion, I guess. So I think that's it. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye.